Welcome back, everybody. Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting here, ready to unbox another Diamond Dots. This one is a Diamond Art by Leisure Arts Diamond Dots, so it's powered by Diamond Dots, but they're basically the same. This is the completed picture. It is a full drill. It's a tiger, and I'm thinking about giving this one to my sister when I finish it. She likes cats like I do, but we'll see how nicely it turns out. If it turns out really nice, I might be tempted to keep it. We'll see. We will definitely see. So we're going to get right into it. This one is an advanced level, but honestly, I don't pay any attention to that. Basically, I've noticed that the Diamond Dots paintings, if they have the level on them, they basically, if it's a full drill, will make it advanced if it's of a certain size. This one is 20 inches by 16 inches, which is 50.8 by 40.64 centimeters. 16 by 20, that's a frame size. So this one will be good to frame. That is another nice thing about Diamond Dots, is they do try to make things good to frame. So I guess we'll take these out first, just so I can show you the kit. Diamond Dots has a fairly basic kit. So you get your gray tray with a spout, you get your pen with a single placer, you get your wax in a little container, which is nice, and you get a squishy for your pen, plus some baggies. They are not nice baggies. I mean, they're fine, but they're not like super nice or anything. And I do like how they package their drills. Something about how they do it like leaves the memory of the folds better than, say, a Diamond Art Club or something. So I can usually get them back in there in a very organized manner. Unlike a Diamond Art Club, where I cannot for the life of me get them back in the bag in a way that looks remotely like how it was to start with. All right, so I will say these are not necessarily a self-flattening canvas. You know, over a long time, it would certainly flatten out enough for you to do it. But for Diamond Dots, just because of the stiffness of the canvas, and I think probably also the amount of time it spends in the box before it gets anywhere, I recommend rolling these backwards. It's poured glue, so it's not gonna hurt anything to do that. Oh wow, okay, I really like this image. Sometimes it's hard to tell what it's gonna look like based on the picture, you know, but like seeing this at this size, I actually really like it. Same instruction sheet that we got with the last Leisure Arts one, just in English, single-sided. You know, just tells you what to do if you don't already know. So this one has 38 colors. It's got this pretty sunset in the background and this pretty tiger in the foreground. And I will put the price right here. Again, bought it on sale, so that's what I paid for it. I think it's usually retail price, I believe, is double what I paid for it. So we're gonna test out the sticky, plenty sticky. You can see also that the symbols are not right out to the edge, so they print a little bit of the image behind the symbol, or like over the symbol, and I think that is partly to make it so it's the right size for framing, but I don't have a tape measure to be able to confirm that for you. But the nice thing is it does make it easier to frame having that little extra edge, because then you aren't trying to put the frame like right up against drills, which ends up being very helpful. And excuse me guys, I'm just there's some wrinkles that are bugging me. So I'm just getting those out real quick on this bad boy. And as always with cord glue, it's not wrinkles in the glue, it's just in the fabric, in the cover that went over it. So 38 colors, lots of color in this, because you've got all these colors here in the tiger. You've got this beautiful sunset back here. Just plenty of color. There are 2 Aurora Borealis, it looks like. And with Diamond Dots, you can tell it's an Aurora Borealis if it starts with a 5. And they have 4-digit color numbers. All of their other colors start with 8. The Aurora Borealis starts with 5. So there's 2 ABs in this. One of them's probably a white, if I had to guess, but we will see if I'm correct or not in just a moment. Oh, look, I am correct. So there is our white AB. And then this really lovely peach that I don't think I have ever seen before. I like that a lot. And here we go. So some of these, you know, there's not going to be, not all of these colors are going to be super interesting. It's a tiger, so there's going to be oranges, of course. But there's also going to be, you know, some browns and blacks and things that are used to, you know, make the tiger look like a tiger instead of, you know, just an orange blob. So I think this is going to be kind of a nice mix of really pretty, traditionally pretty colors, and, you know, that's just kind of like more neutral colors to fill in. Oh, look at those purples. Just, I love these. And going through these really reminds me of how nice the Diamond Dots drills are. I've really just had, other than the static, nothing but good experiences with the Diamond Dots drills. And I am just super excited to be doing this one. So, this obviously is not a very long unboxing because, you know, there's only so much I can tell you about Diamond Dots. This is the Leisure Arts, Diamond Art by Leisure Arts subset of Diamond Dots, I guess. But basically, if it's got that logo on it, it's Diamond Dots brand drills. It's Diamond Dots tray. It's, you know, the art, whatever. Sometimes you can find the Diamond Art by Leisure Arts at Walmart and things like that. But really, the best place I've found to get Diamond Dots in general is going to be Joann's. My local Joann does not have the best selection, unfortunately. So I do order online. I got these online, and I'll leave links if I can find them to the website down below. Anyhow, I'm going to leave you with that. Let you look at this beauty. I can't wait to do this one. And again, it's a good size. It's not too big, not too small. It'll be a nice solid project when I work on it. I hope you guys liked this video. Definitely leave a comment. Tell me about your experiences with Diamond Dots. Tell me what you're working on right now. I want to hear it all. Tell me how it's going with the pandemic. Hopefully by the time this goes up, I will have gotten at least my first dose of the vaccine, because I am in the phase that just started in my state. But I will update you guys when that happens. And leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye-bye.